Today is Sunday, February 23rd, and this is another update of my progress beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square holdings. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Since my last update, I did decide to sell completely out of Palantir, which I sold for a 60.97% gain. I made this move after the Trump administration announced that they intended to cut the defense budget, and this came at the same time as when the CEO, Alex Karp, announced that he intended to sell 1.1 billion worth of his shares. Palantir made up just under 6% of my entire portfolio, so I used the cash from that sale to increase all of my positions by 5%. So if we take a look at Palantir, you can see pretty easily that over the last 3 trading sessions, it's been a straight shot down, and it's fallen just under 19%. For reference in the future, I put this green line here to indicate where I originally sold out of the position. I'm definitely interested in getting back into this position, but I don't want to do it too early and end up catching a falling knife. I put these support and resistance levels where the price closed at multiple times, and also one down here where it gapped up in early February. I do think Palantir would be pretty hard pressed to actually fall all the way down to this bottom level. That would imply an additional 17% drop from where we are right now, and then a 33% drop from its peak on February 18th. So I'm going to put this buy level line right in the middle, and that's where I'm going to be looking to open up a very small position if the price does fall that far. The reason I would only open up a very small position at that level is in case the price does fall to this lower one, I have additional room to add more. So the first level is $92.83, and at that point I'm going to be looking to put 2% of my portfolio into it. And then the second level is $83.83, and at that point I'd put another 2% into it. So I'll show this chart on my next video and give you an update. These are going to be all 10 of my current positions. Right now Meta, Nvidia, Microsoft, Costco, and PayPal make out my top 5, and those account for 50.58% of my portfolio. So with the complete sale of Palantir and then investing 5% in all of my current positions, right now I'm at 75.88% invested, which means I'm at 24.12% cash. And this is what the SPY chart is going to look like right now. It's definitely not just Palantir that took a dive, pretty much the entire market did as well. Right now the SPY price is below the 15-day moving average, and the 5-day is just slightly above the 15. Same situation as Palantir. I don't want to invest too early into my current positions, so I'm going to put another blue buy line on the SPY chart as well. So I will be adding to my current positions again if the SPY price reaches this level, and then I see myself doing that again if it reaches the second level as well. It would be a 1.26% drop to reach the first level, and then a 2.36% drop for the second one. Since my last update, Pershing Square had a decline of 0.7%, my portfolio lost 5.12%, and the S&P 500 had a loss of 1.66%. Which brings us year to date, Pershing Square is at a gain of 15.28%. My portfolio has a gain of 6.85%, and the S&P 500 is at a gain of 2.46%. That's going to do it for today. I do make these videos every Sunday and Tuesday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Tuesday.